Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to overcome the multiple if nested or multiple if else conditions, how to avoid it with the one condition. Suppose there are 7 days in a week. So if we are calculating if day, let's take an example. Okay, so suppose we have this one, day equal to 7. If day equal to 0, console.log Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Else invalid day. If you are writing such this code, then you this is not correct way for adding. It is the work gonna be done with this way also. But what is the correct way to solve this number of lines of code to us less code and unreadability code? So in that case we are going to use the switch statements. Okay, so let's add the switch statements. So let me add. So here we have taken the day 9, so it will take day and it will show whatever in the day 9, right? So let's save it and reload it. Redeclaration of the let day. Suppose let's see first one. Let me comment this one. What gonna print first? Invalid day, correct? Invalid day, that means day is 7 we are printing, and day 7 is not listed. If I'm going to put day 3, so it should log Wednesday. First log Wednesday. So to overcome this number of lines of code, we will write simple switch statements which contains, let me open this. So see, we have day 9. It will take a switch, take an argument. So it will pass the parameters. So day, that is 9. And first case, if it match, if day 0, day 1, case 1, case 2, right? So basically it's this one. If 9 will come into this day and it will check the cases. So it will go to the case invalid day. If I put, let's run this one, so we'll get to know here. Invalid day. Why? Because it's day 9. Day 9 doesn't exist on it, so it will show the default value, correct? If I put over here, suppose 1, so what it gonna print? Monday. So it will print Monday. So this is the way, and this is a readability. You can see it's very easy. And see, the person who able tries to understand the code, he will understand what exactly code it is written. And if you go and check, then if this is, then else this is, there are multiple thinking and code readability is not correct. So in that way we can use switch statements to overcome multiple nested if else conditions. So it's the best way to use switch statements to, instead of multiple if else conditions, for improve the code readability, right? Okay, so this is the way that we can use write switch statements. Switch, take the argument and case, and after break, if particular case found, then it will break and come out of the switch case and print that log, right? So that's it, the alternative of the nested if else. And for the, you can say, you can use for instead of multiple if else conditions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.